Welcome back to Northern Tesla. Today I'm going to show you how to change your cabin air filter. So Tesla recommends you change your air filter every 2 years. Now what I've noticed is, in my car especially, about a year and a half or so, I'm about 18, 19 months now. And I've noticed this from other owners that they don't make it quite to 2 years before the little odor starts creeping in. You'll notice this kind of skunky, kind of sour odor coming in. Especially true if you park near leaves in your area. They'll get stuck in your air filter. So if that's your case, then you can change it yourself. Now Tesla will charge about $82 to do it for mobile service, which isn't bad. But if you want to save a few bucks, you can do it yourself. I'm not the most mechanically inclined person, and it was a pretty easy process for me. The only pickle is that Torx screw, which is in a really awkward spot, but it is a bit difficult, but you can still do it. So here are the parts you'll need. First off, obviously the air filters. You'll need 2 of those. You'll then need some sort of pry tool. You can get something specifically for trim, or a small screwdriver will do the trick. Next up is your T20 Torx screwdriver. Now this one's optional, but the good to have is air conditioner evaporator coil cleaner. Now as for the air filters, Tesla sells them on their online shop, but they're currently out of stock and they have been for quite some time. And I think they're $23 for one, and you'll need 2, so it comes up to $46. You can also go the Amazon route, where I got a pack of 2 for $23. There's also way more expensive ones that have charcoal activation and HEPA filters. So depending on what you want, there's obviously a good range of options out there. The good thing about the Amazon packages is they do come with a couple tools that you will need. So the most important one is the T20 Torx screwdriver. So you'll need that, and as well as a pry tool, which is handy to have. So I do recommend getting an Amazon package at least once so that you have those tools available to you, unless you already have them then. So you'll also need AC evaporator cleaner. Tesla uses Worth, and if you get your hands on that, it's highly recommended. But and again, Amazon is your best bet. Any AC evaporator cleaner will do. Mostly they're for RVs, and what they do is you just spray it inside, and it acts as an activation cleaner where it'll get rid of the dust and debris without you having to wipe off anything. So the first thing you want to do is turn off the AC. So here we are on the passenger side. The first step is you're going to take off any mats that you may have. Just take that out and place it aside. Now we'll be getting rid of this carpet area right here, as well as the footrest cover, which is just underneath the glove box over here. So let's get to it. So first off, you want to use your trim tool. Just carefully remove this piece of carpet over here. Like I said, if you don't have a trim tool, a little screwdriver and your fingers will do the trick. The trick is to just get one side going. The clips will let go, and then you can just pull the rest apart. So just work yourself from side to side, and it should come off pretty easily. You'll see these white clips that are attached, and they come off. Now you have to be careful because you might lose some of these clips, but you can just fish them out and attach them back on as easy. So just make sure you don't lose any. And it's pretty easy, just put them right back on like that. There you go. So the next step is to take off the footwell cover. They're just going to be connected by 4 tabs. You just want to pull the center off with your pry tool, and then pull down, and those tabs should come off easily. Once you have this section off, you'll notice that there should be either 1 or 2 cable connections. I have an SR Plus, so I don't have ambient lighting, so I only have the one. You might see over here with a lighting connection here. So over here with the audio, just you want to pull on this cable. Make sure you're pulling on the actual harness and not the cable, so you don't end up ripping it out, okay? So just take that out, and then take this footwell cover and put it aside. So over here, this is where your air filter cover is. T20 Torx screw is right at the top there. You'll see this bright orange wire. This is your high voltage line. So you want to be kind of careful not to either bend that or torque that too much. So like I said, the T20 Torx screw is right at the top there. It is in a precarious position. It is not easily accessible. It will take a bit of time and a few tries. As you can see, my Torx screw keeps slipping out. So you just gotta be patient with it, and eventually it will come out. So I've heard with Model Ys, that's now a bolt. So I'm not sure if that'll make it easier or harder. Let me know if you guys have a Y and you're doing this. So you just want to pull that out. So like I said, even with this red wiring here, you are able to access the panel. Again, a little inconvenient, but you can get your hands in there. What you want to do is take that white tab, pull off, these are the old ones, take that out. So they're on top of each other, the bottom will be at the bottom, of course. You just want to pull that off and get that out of there as well. So you'll see that a little bit there's some debris there, so you can tell it gets a little junky in there. And that's where all your leaves will go, and that's what's causing that smell. So next up is you want to spray and clean that evaporator. Some products will come with a hose, which I find more convenient. Unfortunately, mine did not. So I'm just going to try to spray as much as I can and get that evaporator cover. This product will cover the evaporator in foam and kind of do like a self-cleaning of it. So we'll get any dirt or debris out of it. So once you've sprayed the evaporator coils, you want to come back in your car and turn on the AC for about 5 to 10 minutes, just so the cleaner can do its thing. You will notice a bit of liquid falling from the car, and that's just the cleaner going through the process. So here, let's go put in our new filters. You can see that there's a tab here. Make sure that is up, and you want to insert, so this way you have the filters facing the right direction. So you just want to get this wire out of the way here. And like I said, it's not the most convenient thing, but it's definitely doable. So you just want to get this squeezed in here somehow. Pull that in. Eventually I'll get it in here. Okay, here we go. And just slot that in, and it will drop into the lower portion of the air filter. So you're going to get your second filter and drop that in as well, and make sure that white tab is facing up. And there you go, and just keep that down, and we'll put the cover back on. All right, so I just changed the air filters, and it smells amazing in here. The skunk smell is gone, so it really did the trick. So let's go ahead and put everything back together. Reclip the audio. So you want to, once it's in, you want to push up that middle part and it'll lock the tab into place. So then again with the carpet, you just want to align the tabs and push in, and it should all align, all the tabs should align and connect. Tell where the clips are. Work away from side to side. There you go. All right, that's it. I hope this video helped you out. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, be sure to subscribe, and we'll see you next week. All right, welcome back to Northern Tesla. Today I'm going to talk about all right, welcome back to Northern Tesla. And then you're kind of going to get a smelly taste, not taste, because you're not tasting it. Tesla sells them on the online store that you can get yourself. They're $23, and you'll need two. So Tesla will come out and do this for you as part of their mobile service. It's $86 for updating. So Tesla will come out and do this. It's up to $46. Or you can go the Amazon route, which I got a pack of 23. You want to run, because I put in the now, I'm not the most so Tesla will do the service for you as part of so Tesla will do the service as part of their mobile offer. So Tesla will do this for you. Is in a very awkward spot, but other than that, it's a pretty simple step. So once you've sprayed the evaporator coils, you want to come back in your car and turn on the AC for about 5 to 10 minutes to let it so the AC cleaner can work through. Oh my god, I can't talk. All right. So once you've sprayed the and you will notice a bit of liquid